Welcome to Samyaktara Academy. Do you know how to calculate 5 workers takes 12 days to weed a field? How many would 15 take? So this challenge accepted by
Prajnesh.
So let's start. Very good. So today's winner is clap for Atharva.
The take 12 days to weed a field. How many weed would 15 take? Workers take 12 days. Worker 6 we consider x. First step multiplication. 6 multiplied by x equal to 5 multiplied by 12. Equal to 5 multiplied by 12 divided by 6. Answer is 10. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 5 2 is 10. Answer is 10. 10 workers will take 6 days. 15 multiplied by x equal to 5 multiplied by 12. X equal to 5 multiplied by 12 divided by 15. X equal to 5 multiplied by 12 divided by 15. 12 multiplied by 5 equal to 60. 15 1 is 50. 15 4 is 60. Answer is 4. 15 workers will take 4 days.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, असंच आमच्यासोबत चॅनलशी जोडलेले राहा. हा व्हिडिओ सतत ऐकत राहा. सतत ऐकणे हा अभ्यास करण्याचा साधा आणि सरळ मार्ग आहे, सोपा मार्ग आहे. व्हिडिओ सतत ऐकत राहा, अभ्यास करत राहा. धन्यवाद.
Thank you. Stay safe with me. Think, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Bye.